Hello, my name is Jeff Halonen with Steelhead Technologies, and in this short video, we are going to review the shipments inside of Steelhead Technologies. So what shipments allow you to do in Steelhead Technologies is contain the chaos that surrounds typically when you have your own trucks and you're shipping out parts. So a regular or kind of normal shipping environment might have take parts ready for ship. We create a draft. We have the customer come pick up those parts. We just simply get a signature. We have it signed, and then we step back into invoicing. Or alternately, we might have a bill of lading. So we take the packing slip, we turn it into a bill of lading, and then we have the third party trucker sign it. We can print it, give it to them, and then collect signatures. And then again, they're on their way, and we can step into invoicing. So shipments is for that kind of third case where it's not our customers, and we can cover those other types of shipping in other videos. What we want to cover in this video is if we have as a job shop, if we have our own trucks and we have a lot of shipments that we need to manage, perhaps shipping bays, things of that nature. So if I go and take parts that are ready for ship, for example, these parts here, I can create a packing slip. Those are that's a draft of a packing slip. We can make sure all of our information is correct, and we can say we want to actually finalize that packing slip. And let's say we have another customer that we're also working on, and we want to create a packing slip for this one as well. We can verify all of our information, all of our defaults are correct, and again, we can finalize that packing slip. Sometimes we send it to our customer at this stage, or we can create bills of ladings or other things there, but in this case, we're just going to go ahead and step it into a finalized packing slip. So here we have a packing slip without a shipment. You can see we have another shipment here that's already scheduled. So I'm going to grab these two jobs and I'm going to put them actually on a single truck. So it kicks us off to today, and we can see the activities for today. We had a shipment team meeting. We have one of our vehicles, our Mac 1900, with a scheduled shipment at 4 to 5 p.m. But let's say we want to add perhaps another shipment at that time. So we can go ahead and select, it already has these parts here, and we're just gonna leave the full amount. We can leave notes here. So put DYN in front of truck, and then we can assign a user as well. So if we want, for example, Mark to ship these parts, we can assign them to a location. So if we have multiple shipping bays, here we can select that, and then assign to a carrier if appropriate, and then lastly, assigning a truck. So this can be useful if you have two or more trucks, and then the truckers can quickly see just the shipments that are applicable to them. So here we're back over at the packing slip finalize screen, and we can see we have a shipment of parts that's in bay 5 for 4 o'clock, and a shipment of parts that's in bay 3. So we can go ahead and collect signatures right off this page. But what we can also do is we can actually jump into our shipment manager. So if our job is to manage all of our shipments, I can see either the day or the week view, all of the jobs that we have to ship out. And then the trucking dashboard as well provides a view of that, and we can actually filter. So we can add a filter and say, well, I only drive the Volvo, so I only see jobs that are applicable to me. And then we can save this and bookmark this, so a trucker could actually save this to his phone and have a continual list of everything that they need to pick up, where the parts are at, where to ship them to, etc. So that's how shipments work inside of Steelhead. Other than that, we can collect signatures the usual way, where we collect signatures from the customer, and obviously on an LTE device, such as a tablet or a phone, at the customer's location. And then once it's completed, it goes through its regular post-processing of sending the signed packing slip to customers and sending into invoicing. So this the shipments tool is extremely useful for job shops that have 2, 3, 5, 10 trucks, 6 shipping bays going all over the place, multiple shipments at one time, and providing those truckers a clear, what am I going to ship? How am I going to work on it? And the entire thing is integrated into the Steelhead production system so that whoever's dispatching shipments has all that critical information, even like the truck weights, right? So if the trucks have certain limits and we don't want to exceed that with the gross capacity, we can see all that information in one single location. And then, of course, it's integrated to invoicing the downstream. So the entire thing is all integrated in a single workflow with all the information that tip your fingers to really streamline the management of your own shipments of your trucks. So if you have any questions on how shipments work for a job shop that's running on Steelhead, go ahead and give us a call or right on our website, gosteelhead.com. You can set up a free consultation. We're happy to go through the specific challenges that you have with shipments and managing your own trucks at your job shop. Thank you and have a great day.